Hey guys, let me show you how to list an item to multiple locations very quickly, okay? So let's click inside one of these right here. And we're going to optimize everything here, okay? So let's get rid of some of this stuff here. Let's do optimize. Everything is gone, 114, but for Facebook Marketplace it has to be 99 character. Click on optimize again. Let's get rid of this. I think let's rotate this again to make sure we got the certain keyword in a certain position correctly on the title. So let's leave it like that. Let's go down here. There's nothing we want to maybe get rid of this. Let's just leave it like that. Let's add this to Hexalister. Open up Hexalister. Here's this item, okay? It's default to Dallas, Texas right now, okay? So what we're going to do now, since everything's optimized and we set our price, let's make this $99, hit save, $7 shipping cost. So our profits are around 13 bucks there. And let's before we auto list this, okay, I'm going to show you. I'm going to auto list this, and before I'm auto list this, I'm going to duplicate this as well, and I'm going to change this location. Okay, let's make it to maybe Irvine, California. So we have two now, right, unlisted, but this one's the same photo. So this is what I'm going to do. You see that little X button right here? I need to remove that. Okay, so click on that and hit save. So I remove one of the photos from the collection. Okay, so this one has, let's say this one has 7 photos, and this one I duplicate also has 7 photos, but click on that green button, I remove the main photo from it. So let's auto list this one. When it's done, we're going to auto list that one immediately and see if Facebook complains about this or not. Okay, so let's do this. So Dallas, Texas, let's auto list this one. So after we publish, auto list, publish, full cycle auto listing process, as you can see, that's the new photos. Everything's populated correctly, as you can see, Dallas right here and all that. So I'm not gonna, since I didn't make any updates, I'm just gonna click on this tag here, which brings you back into your listing view here. So this is being reviewed, okay? So let's go back to Hexalister now. And let's clear this one. So this one has been listed, okay, right? So we got to go back to the unlisted status now. This is the one. So you know what we did, right? We removed only one main photos, and now we're going to auto list. Let's see what happened to this one now, okay, to see if Facebook gonna recognize that this is a duplicate or not. So let me click on auto list. Alright, I'm bringing you back into the edit mode again after auto list and publish. You notice I have one photo less. I removed the main photo already. Everything looks good. All the information, Irvine, California. Update. Let's see what happened. As you can see, both of them are approved. This is being reviewed. Usually when you have a duplicate and you come back to this listing view, it would tell you immediately that it's the duplicate. In this case, it didn't, so it works, okay? But also I have listed these, okay, and I flip it. You can flip them. So if you have a photo that you really like, you can flip it, and then when we come back into edit mode, you can actually upload that photo, but a horizontal flipped, right? So that way, that's also another way to make a main photo look different, is to either flip it horizontally, or you can zoom in a little bit to make the pixel be different than the first one, or you can tilt a little bit and then upload that photo as well. That would work as well. So as you can see, I experiment with this one, this table right here. And the good thing about tables, right, authentic photos really attract a lot of customers. So I posted in 3 different areas, and you see the amount of views I have here. And this one is 465, 185. That was like since yesterday. late this morning that I list them, and you see the different views. Now the one that has the most, if I click inside, Austin, Texas, and this one is Miami, and this one Los Angeles. So you can just play with this and figure it out. I think it works very well for those that sells very well. If you stop having sales, or you have a lot of views or whatever, you can decrease your price a little bit and maybe people will buy it. But if you don't have a lot of views, just delete it and post it in a different location very quickly. This is something you can play with, especially the one that sells pretty well. If it stops selling, I would either delete this or leave them there and just duplicate that one in Hexalister, put a different location, or list them again. But make sure you reduce one photo, okay? So I hope that works for you guys.